How to contact Fashion Nova customer service. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to contact Fashion Nova customer service, you must have to open up your Fashion Nova app onto your device. There, you want to go to the Me from the bottom right. Underneath, you have these help over here. Once you go to the help section, this is where you will be able to find a lot of options available. You could go to return and refund, maybe help with other orders, what sort of help you actually require. Once you do ahead, or once you tap on it, you could simply go ahead and start filling in your informations. You could submit a request, all that. And this way, you're supposed to contact Fashion Nova customer service. And for some reason, if you find this to be a bit lengthy, you could simply exit out, open up your browser, type in Fashion Nova Help Center. Once you do it so, you can find the first link that pops up. You could tap open that up, and this is also going to directly take you to the help center. So this way, you're supposed to contact Fashion Nova customer service. With that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.